Hey guys, sorry, I haven't been really posting besides map parts. I've been super busy. And now I decided, hey, you know what would be cool? To make a map of your own OCs. It was an extreme mistake because I'm doing this alone. So I hope you guys are okay with me taking a tiny break just to try and get myself together with all this animation stuff. Here is some of the animation that is coming up that I am doing. Here are them all listed on screen. I haven't come up with thumbnails yet, but yeah. Also, thank you guys so much for, wait, how many subscribers again? 20 subscribers, yay! I'm actually, even though it seems like a small number, it means a lot to me to know people are actually enjoying my content, so thank you. Anyways, enjoy the rest of the video. So basically, hold on, is it recording? Yes. So basically, I've tried this recording 80 times before. I'm testing it again to see if it works, to make sure it works, so let's go. Oh, we started. Ooh, you crewmate. Ooh. Oh wait, I don't even have scan. Probably looks super sus going into admin without anything to do. Oh, oh no, Obama had to see that. Out the way. I love you. Oh, they skipped. Okay, I see. I didn't know who to pick. The timer is going by like boom, boom, bang. You know? I do not have anything to prove my innocence. I just hope they're gonna believe me this time and not leave me for the rats. Where are you taking me? Brown! It's brown! It's brown! It's brown! I saw you kill them! I saw you kill them! Why? You killed them! You're brown! I'm voting brown! Brown! I swear if they vote me off. Yeah, I bet you feel smart now! I'll join this one. Ooh, yes! Okay. Ooh, shiver me timbers, bro. I can kill them right now. Oh, I can't kill them right now. Damn it. No! Are you kidding me? I have a bunch of people to kill. Not a lot of time. It's great. So first off, let me do this thing. Pretend like I'm doing this thing while I'm fixing my hair. Alright, kill cooldown. It's done. So Spooky went in there, gained their trust by not killing them immediately. Go on security. I see yellow comes in. I see no one come out. I'm doing something. Okay, I'm so scared. I really hope no one catches me. Okay. They don't think it's me. Okay, I am quaking. I really hope this is on recording because I'm not redoing this. Get my granny inhaler. Okay, so now I need to figure out a different task to do. So I'm gonna do this one. Pretend like I'm doing it at least. Yo, what's up? And then I'm gonna go in here. Go over. Ooh, they saw that. I messed up. Real bad. Look at me. Why were you disappointed? Start. Okay, I'm a crewmate this time. To make it up for them, I will follow Spooky. No, where's yellow? Yellow? There you are. Spooky, why aren't you doing anything? Where'd you go? This is a great server. I love the people on here. Orange, stay away from me. Stay away from me, please. I don't want to be the next one. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for everything. Okay, get everything done electrical quickly. It's orange. Up now. Do you want something? You want pets? Ooh, you want pets. Why would you lie to me like that? Oh, I knew it. I knew it. I saw orange by them. Why didn't I think it was orange? Dude, I'm great. I'm great at this game. I'm literally a god. I'm literally a god. But yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo! Do it again. Dang, I got them bars. I didn't get an answer. Hold on. Yellow, we're going together. I go silent sometimes. I swear if I'm at... Oh my god. Let's go, bestie. Okay, what are we gonna do? Where are we going? Where are we going? Okay, I'll follow, you follow me? Okay, cool. Okay, now we wait. Ooh. You gonna get him, bestie? I closed the door, no worries. Where we vented to. One song. No! Oh my god. No, you didn't.